Hi, my name is Cody Stiff, and my website is on the game For Honor. It is a fan site slash guide site, and I got the idea for this site because I really enjoy playing this game, and it just recently came out, so there's not a whole lot of information out there about it. Um, Also, for my idea for the website, I wanted to try, some new things I haven't done before, like using the Bootstrap framework. And then I also wanted to make it so that I could possibly expand on it or, possibly host it in the future. So yeah, let's take a look at the requirements document. My website is for Honor Guide website for each hero class in the game. The website is for players of the game that would like to learn how to play each hero at a high level. Right now the site will start out with one guide per hero, but it can be expanded on in the future to add user-submitted guides in a ranking system. That's what I'd eventually like to build towards. As far as website functionality, because of the limited scope of the project, once again, it won't be as large as it could be. But yeah, I'm definitely leaving room for expansion. I'm implementing a navigation bar that will scroll with the page that will include a sign-in for users and a collapsible navigation menu. The main content of the page will be a hero select that will serve as the main method of navigation on the site. The hero select will use JavaScript to highlight and animate portraits that are hovered over, and it'll also issue out a small pop-up with information about that hero. Clicking on any of the portraits will bring the user to that hero's guide page, and then my footer will contain a link to an about and a contact page, and then also copyright information. Alright, so let's take a look at the site. Here's my banner that includes a login and register. They don't work yet, but like I said, I'd like to work on that in the future. Same goes for the search bar. No functionality yet, but definitely working on that. Here's the navigation links, the guide drop down to each hero's page, and then this goes to the main page for the game itself, where you can buy it and look at information about the game. Alright, here's my hero select, where you can highlight each hero, and it gives a pop-out of information about them. And then here's my footer with my about and contact, and then the copyright information. And then as far as implementing the code for this website, it wasn't too bad. There was one thing that I went back and forth on. It's this character menu selection. Instead of graying it out, it highlights and darkens everything else. Actually, I kind of like this one, so I might stick with this one. So that was the only real issue I ran into as far as implementing what I had planned out. It kind of went back and forth on these two options, so neither one were really that hard to implement though. But I think I'll probably stick with this one. So yeah, that's my website. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and thanks for watching.